Hi guys, welcome back for another vlog, and for today's video I'm going to walk you through on how to code a post or anything on your Threads app. So if you want to know more, make sure to finish this video and follow all of the simple steps. So the very first thing that we need to do is to head on to our Threads app. As you can see, I am now in the homepage of Threads app. So once you load or open the Threads app, just go to the post here. As you can see, this is the homepage, so you could search whatever post that you would like to see in here. And for example, you want this post to quote, "The Lord is all I have, and so in him I put my hope." Lamentations 3 verse 24. So for example, you want to quote this post. So what you need to do is very easy, guys. So as you can see here in the bottom part of the photo, there's like, comment, and this kind of button, as well as the message. So in here, what you need to choose is the third one, and it will gonna pop up this page. As you can see, you can repost this or quote this. So basically this video is about coding, so we need to choose on quote. And then you could start a thread in here. Just type a caption that you would like to do indeed, or that you would like to add amen, for example, like that. And once you're satisfied in here, guys, you could already click the post button here at the bottom part corner, so that you would turn this into your homepage. Then let's just wait for until it posts, and it's posted. Let's view this one, and as you can see, it's already here on your profile. It's already coded. So you could just repeat this step, guys, if you would like to quote a lot of photos or whatever that you would see on your account here in Threads app. If you would like to quote this photo, then do so. Just quote and put some emojis in there or whatever caption that you would like to add and post. So that's how easy it is, guys. As you can see, it's already posted again, and done. So that's how easy it is, guys, to quote on Threads app. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, as well as to hit the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell for you to get updated on our latest update. Thank you for watching.